Mga kababayan, mga kapatid ko sa Vancouver, British Columbia. Kagabi, I just get news from our friend all the way Gurusani in Thailand. I guess it's morning there already, and the terrible news in our Lapu-Lapu Festival sa Vancouver. Someone drove a truck to the performance last night and killed several people. I believe 9 people were died in the spot and a lot more injuries. This is totally unheard of. I've been in Vancouver since 1975. I am back and forth there. I started there. I grew up there. I know our Filipino community started from 30,000. I think we are 100,000 now. And we have been pushing for the upliftment, for the unity, and Filipino community spirit. Such news is devastating for every one of us. So I'm calling all our friends, family, and everyone that supports our group and effort in the Filipino community in Vancouver. Let us send our prayer, our heartfulness. I know a lot of people are very angry, very sad. But let us focus into the positive energy, how we can, kind of lift the spirit of our beloved brothers and sisters there. And let's not dwell in sadness, revenge, or anger. In a few hours or so, I believe there are some support group that are now being organized. I'm sure our group also, our Arnis Maharlika FMA, is there in Vancouver, and I will be going there soon myself. But even online, we can do something. Let's just send our prayers, our heartfulness, that this tragic incident may no longer be repeated, and whosoever got affected by this somehow will find strength and resolution. So salamat sa lahat, at let's just be strong. This is the time when our Datu Lapu-Lapu needs us. We have to be strong in our heart and be the Maharlikan we are. Yes, we will be strong and survive. Salamat and see you soon. Mabuhay.